Torque release technique addresses neuropathy, numbness, and tingling by first adjusting the sources of the symptoms at the spine. Many times, neuropathy, numbness, tingling in the arms or hands originate in the neck with aggravation and dysfunction in the neck coming from stress and posture. Likewise, many times neuropathy, numbness, tingling in the legs or feet originate from the low back with stress, posture, or repetitive strain leading to those symptoms. Torque release stimulates the nerves with an instrument that requires no twisting, cracking, or popping. The adjustment is gentle but specific and designed to stimulate the nerves to calm down and reduce inflammation. Once the nerves are calmed down and return to normal function, pain and inflammation decrease substantially in the neck and low back, resulting in a reduction or resolution of neuropathy, numbness, and tingling.